Hello. This is my buildup of the Moebius 1972 Ford F-250 Ranger with the snowplow kit. This is my first Moebius build, and gotta say I'm very pleased with the quality and the design of the kit. It went together real well. Didn't really have a whole lot of problems. It's a few things here and there. The snowplow was probably the hardest part, getting everything lined up and in the proper position, but overall I think it came out really well. I definitely would recommend anybody who has been thinking about this kit to go ahead and buy it and give it a shot for yourself. Suspension and the underside, everything went together easily, everything lines up well. Little view here underneath the hood. Very pleased with it. A lot of good detail there with the heater hoses and washer bottle and battery, all the usual stuff. They even include a little chain there for the snowplow, which I thought was pretty cool. So I painted it in the two-tone color. It doesn't seem to be sitting down very well, but anyway, I used Tester's Gloss Brown for the top half, and Tamiya Racing White for the lower half. Sprayed right out of a can, so that's usually what I do with my kits, is I just use rattle can paints, and I don't build for shows or anything like that. Mainly just for myself. So there you go. If you're looking to get one of these or start one, I would definitely recommend it. See y'all next time.